Okay, so for this mani, I have just applied my third thin coat of Tonic, Novitiate, and I'm going to apply these Aurora Flakies from Beauty Big Bang, item SKU J7406. 1C is the color option. So I'm gonna use the included eyeshadow applicator, pick up a few and just lightly pat a few on. I want it to be fairly sparse. I don't want to cover the whole nail, but I want to make sure. Okay, and I love flakies, as you guys know. They're so easy to use and remove, and I think they just add a little visual interest to any kind of nail art. And I can tell that my polish is already drying because these are starting to not stick. So you could add a thin coat of a sticky base coat like Orly Bonder if you are having trouble getting them to stick. But I think my polish is just still tacky enough that I'll be okay. Okay. Okay, so the next step is I'm going to now apply a coat of Orly Bonder, because what I have found from the last mani I did is that I had a little bit of trouble with the stamping sticking to the flakies themselves. So I really want to make sure that, that the stamping sticks, and in order to do that, I'm going to apply the bonder over the entire nail. So I'm just going in and making sure by patting gently that the flakies are laying flat and are stuck to the nail, to the polish, because I don't want them to be loose and come off on the brush and get into bonder. I mean, it's not that big of a deal if it does, but I'd prefer that it doesn't. So I'm just gonna shake those off. Okay. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this image here that I need to clean off because I wanted to show you the Creative Shop stamper one more time, because this is a really fine lined image, and I've had trouble picking it up, which is why I actually not used that image in a full mani before consistently. But I think that with this stamper, I think that I can do a full mani with this, and so I'm going to demonstrate that. So for my stamping polish, I'm going to use the Moyra Black, which is sort of my standard right now. And I'm going to do my usual, put some across the top half, scrape, and I find for this image, scraping twice works beautifully. And then pick up and place. And hopefully you can see that all the little fine lines picked up beautifully using this Creative Shop Holo Glassy stamper. I'm really quite happy with how this stamper works. And then I'm going to show you that, especially for those images like that, instead of using latex, I just use my lint roller and I just pick up those excess bits off my skin pretty easily. And if you're careful with it, you can have virtually no cleanup. So there you go. Thanks for watching.